The National Housing Trust says it is in the process of procuring the first 2,500 semi-permanent housing units. The solutions are being provided under the Rapid Deployment Housing Initiative to assist people whose homes were destroyed during the hurricane. Assistant General Manager for Corporate Communications and Public Affairs at the NHT, Dwayne Berbick, made the announcement on Friday. This follows an early announcement by Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness that the Trust will procure 5,000 pre-built container homes for swift rollout across the island to address urgent housing needs following Hurricane Melissa. The NHT says it reviewed the options on the market and selected expanded prefabricated units. Meanwhile, NHT mortgagors whose homes were damaged or destroyed during the storm are urged to submit their peril insurance claim for compensation. The insurance claims must be submitted by January 15 next year.